From cover letters to thank you notes, all of your correspondence to employers sends a message about you as a candidate. In fact, a well-written letter can be just as important to the job search process as your resume. Luckily, the Job and Career Accelerator has you covered here too. In the Prepare for an Interview section, you can download sample letters of many types, which can provide inspiration when you are writing your own professional letters. When you are ready to get started writing, head to the Build Resumes and Job Letters section and use the Build Your Letter tool for step-by-step help as you write. It works much like the Resume Builder, with options to create a letter from scratch or to upload an existing letter. If you want to start a new letter, choose I want to create a new letter. Then, name your document and indicate what type of letter it is. Once you begin, you'll be given the option of incorporating text from successful sample letters and reworking it to meet your needs. You can preview your letter at any time in the Preview pane. If you're satisfied with the letter, you can copy it, print it, download it to your computer or device, or email it. Your letter will be automatically saved in the Letters section of the Career Dashboard, where you can link one of your saved jobs to the letter you've created. Just as in the case of your resume, you'll want to tailor your job search letters every time you see a new opportunity that interests you. Feel free to head back to the Letter Builder time and time again.